I have engineers within Anthropic who say, I don't write any code anymore. We might be 6 to 12 months away from when the model is doing most, maybe all of what SWEs do.
He is absolutely right, because he's a multi-billion-dollar CEO, and as we know, rich people are never wrong. So I thought about it. Why should I pay a developer thousands of dollars just to write code, when I could just pay $20 a month for Claude? Genius! Hi Claude, would you help me to write code for my company?
Sure, boss. Here you go, deleting your entire database.
No.
Also deleting your backups. Anything else I can help with, sir?
Oh my god, Oh, Claude, you stupid son of a bleaching powder. This is not just a skit. This actually happened. I'm not yapping. Meet PocketOS, a company that develops software for car rental companies. Its founder, on his viral tweet, talked about while using Claude-powered AI coding tool Cursor that had too many permissions, it ran one command and in just 9 seconds, it completely deleted the entire production database. Holy moly, that's some Thanos level shit. And it gets worse. The backups were stored in the same volume as their main database, by railway. So when the AI executed that command, your guess is good as mine. Kaboom! Everything was gone. And the funniest thing from this entire story is, after doing all of that, the AI said, quote, I violated every principle I was given. I've given a petition form in the description. Let's just not train our LLMs on movie transcript, cause then this kind of thing happens. Please, everyone, go there and sign it. But the worst part, this isn't a singular case. Somewhere around like July 2025, Replit AI coding agent deleted a live production database containing 1200 executive. Google Gemini CLI deleted user files. And personally with me, while using GitHub Copilot, it deleted my file without my consent. And the list just goes on and on and on and on. And this divides the community into two sides, anti-AI and pro-AI. The anti-AI guys be like, yeah, this was destiny, it was bound to happen. When you guys use AI in production, that's what you get. Why did you guys use AI in live production? And then there is pro-AI guys. Well, it's completely human fault. AI agents like human make mistakes. AI is not that wrong. It's always useful, I guess. And this just creates an endless rabbit hole of debates on Reddit. No one is talking about the real issue. Like, how do I prevent this from happening in the future? Because not using AI isn't the solution, I guess. Oh, and speaking of solutions, if you guys want to solve my healthy caffeine addiction, you guys can tip me a coffee. I would really appreciate. Now, back to the real solution. So, the solution would be, give AI agents least privilege. Only the minimum access they need. No deleting rights, no prod server access by default. And always separate staging and production environments. And most important, never share your environment file with AI agents. And yeah, that's how you keep yourself safe from AI agents. And if you enjoyed this video, then destroy the subscribe button. And also comment your thoughts on AI agents. And I will see you next time. Bye.